Welcome to Live in and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. Our first message today is, let me not see myself as limited. Who would attempt to fly with the tiny wings of a sparrow when the mighty power of an eagle has been given him? There is enormous power inside of you when you feel the divine power within, when you surrender to the divine power within. Our second card today is loosen your grip, coping mechanisms, density, addiction, let God in. We are cyclic beings, and Mother Earth teaches us how to be human every day with the coming and going of tides and seasons. If you're clinging to anything, you're resisting the natural flow of who you are. The things we cling to are so often those we need most to let go of. The food, the substances, the relationship, the job, the people pleasing. The things we cling to often cover up our most vulnerable space. The part we are most afraid to leave empty. The part we guard and don't let grace into. But by keeping that space covered with something that doesn't deserve us or clinging to it for fear of it not staying of its own accord, we prevent ourselves from receiving the things that will. A Course in Miracles tells us, whatever we leave empty, grace will fill. And the Buddha said, you can only lose what you cling to. Indeed, both are true. If this card appears, you are being called to find the courage to loosen your grip and give up control, to release your coping mechanisms and leave space for grace and God to enter, to surrender all that feels dense to the divine. Loosening your grip doesn't mean that what you're clinging to will go away. It may, or it may stay, but you can be sure that what is for you will find you. And you will breathe easier knowledge that you have shifted from relying on your own strength to surrendering to the grace of life. This is an inquiry card, and the inquiry is, what are you clinging to for the fear of nothing coming to take its place? So, the message is to loosen your grip, to let go of the control. In this world, there is a lot of chaos, especially right now. Lot of dense and dark energies are there, and what is happening is we are shifting into higher vibration. When we are shifting into higher vibration, there may be things, people, situations of lower vibration that you may need to let go of. And that is what the message is, that if you're just attaching to people and doing people pleasing just to stay attached to them, then that is something that you can let go of. If they are meant to be in your life, then they will continue to find you again. What happens when you get stressed? You eat certain things, that's called stress eating, and you are attached to certain food item, right? So there is a message here to let go of the control, let go of the attachment, the clinginess. And it's okay to feel that void. If you're alone and if you feel that void, it's okay. Let God fill in grace in that void. So these are the messages today. Lots of love.